How do I join a Kahoot game using a game pin?
Hey there! Ever wondered how to join a fun Kahoot quiz or game using just a game pin? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the easy steps on how to do just that. Let's get started and dive right into the Kahoot world.
What is a Kahoot game pin?
Before we jump into the steps, let's understand what a game pin is. A Kahoot game pin is a unique code that you'll need to enter to join a game. It's given by the person or organization hosting the quiz. This ensures that only those who are supposed to join the game can access it.
Accessing the Kahoot login page.
1. First, open a browser on your device. This can be a computer, tablet, or smartphone. 2. Head over to the Kahoot website by typing in kahoot.it in the address bar. Note, you can also use the Kahoot app if you have it installed on your mobile device.
Entering the game pin.
Once you're on the Kahoot homepage, you'll see a box asking for the game pin. Type in the unique game pin provided to you. Click on the Enter button.
Setting up your nickname.
After entering the game pin, you'll be asked to enter a nickname. This is the name that will be displayed on the leaderboard and game screen. Once you've chosen your nickname, click Submit or Go. Tip: choose a fun nickname but avoid using any inappropriate words, as many Kahoot games have nickname filters.
Wait for the game to start.
After entering your nickname, you'll be taken to a waiting screen. Here you'll see your nickname and a fun shape and color combo that represents you in the game. Wait for the game host to start the game. Once it starts, you'll see questions on the main screen or your device if it's a remote game, and answer choices on your device. Make sure to answer as quickly and correctly as you can to score maximum points. And that's how you join a Kahoot game using a game pin. Easy, right? Now you're all set to participate in all the fun quizzes and games. Happy quizzing, and remember, it's all about having fun and learning. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful.